Unveiling secrets. The meaning of on the QT. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a phrase you might have heard but not fully understood, on the QT. This saying is not only intriguing but also a key to understanding how language evolves with culture. So, let's get into the details and discover the essence of this phrase together. On the QT is a phrase that means to do something secretly or quietly, without letting others know. The letters QT stand for quiet, suggesting that any action or information shared is to be kept under wraps. This expression is often used when someone wants to convey information confidentially or proceed with an action without attracting attention. The exact origins of on the QT are a bit murky, but it's widely accepted that the phrase originated in 19th century Britain. It was part of the slang of the time and quickly became popular in other English-speaking countries. The use of QT as an abbreviation for quiet reflects the playful and inventive nature of slang, where brevity and wit are highly valued. To help you understand how to use on the QT in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. We're planning a surprise party for Julia. Remember, it's all on the QT until her birthday. I heard about the new project on the QT. It's not public knowledge yet. These examples show that on the QT can be used in various contexts, from personal plans to confidential information in a professional setting. While on the QT may seem like a simple phrase, it holds a mirror to the cultural and social dynamics of secrecy and confidentiality. Its use in literature, films, and everyday conversation underscores the universal desire for a private sphere, away from the public eye. Understanding such phrases enriches our grasp of language as a tool for both communication and cultural expression. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of on the QT. This phrase is a perfect example of how language captures the nuances of human interaction, offering us a window into the values and practices of different times and places. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression and added a new dimension to your understanding of the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of English idioms and phrases.